Hello, I'm Kuzey from Team 7742, Cosmos, and today we're going to be teaching our first lesson for the kids in Australia. As you know, there is a tragedy going on in Australia. Lots of fires and forests being burned alive and suffocating from all of the smoke. So, to at least help with this bad cause, at least if we can help a little bit by helping the kids, that's a positive for the whole world. So here is our first lesson. This lesson, we're going to be teaching basic shapes, 2D shapes. You've all seen them around the world. Shapes are a normal part of our lives. Okay, our first shape is a square. As you can see, all of the sides are equal. If this side is 5 centimeters, then all of the sides need to be 5 centimeters. If this isn't the case, and one side is longer than the other, then it's called a rectangle. Okay, our second shape is a rectangle. Now, as we can see, one side or both sides are longer than the other side. For example, let's say this side is 10 centimeters. This is also 10. And these might be, let's say, 5. Now, this is what we call a rectangle. Okay, now for our third shape. We're going to talk about the circle. Okay, now for our third shape, we have the circle. As you can see, the circle has no corners, so it doesn't really have any value around here. Okay, so this is called the radius of a circle. It is shown with a small r, and that's all about the circle. Now, for our final shape of this topic, we're going to talk about the triangle. Now, as you can see, the triangle has 3 sides and 3 points. Okay, so now we are going to talk about another type of triangle. This is called a right triangle. Now, you're going to ask me, what's special about this triangle? If you look closely here, this part is 90 degrees. Now we're going to talk about the basics, so this is all you need to know for now. For example, what is a paper? A paper is a rectangle, A4 paper. But for example, these small post-it notes, these are squares. As you can see, all sides are even. And a fun thing you can do with these post-it notes is you can make them into a triangle, as you can see. So you can find shapes everywhere. There are lots of examples in real life. Thank you for joining me on our first lesson. We hope you enjoyed and learned from our first lesson. We hope to see you in more.